Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar CAD monthly, I think this first push down is impulsive, like a wave 1 or wave A. I think this is actually an independent correction, like an A, B, C, and this is a wave B or a wave 2. I believe we're going down now, and this is going to be a downtrend for either a wave C, which a wave C would go down to around the 100% Fibonacci extension, or possibly even a wave 3, which a wave 3 would extend all the way down to probably at least a 161.8. So let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are going up pretty strong, but that's not really surprising, especially with the first week of the year. I think this is a 1, 2, 3. I think we're in a wave forward. I think eventually it's going to go down for a wave 5. This is probably all a wave 1 of this downtrend, which eventually will probably make a bigger correction for the wave 2 and eventually go down for a wave 3. Either a 1, 2, 3 of C or a 1, 2, 3 of 3, like I was explaining on the monthly. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, pretty clearly, I believe this is a 1, 2, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. I think it's pretty clear that the wave 3 is over, and this first push up is most likely a wave A. I think eventually it's going to start a correction to that wave A, like a wave B, and then probably up again for a wave C. I would expect it to at least go up to the 38%, possibly to 50, but more likely to 30, and then eventually end the wave A, B, C of 4 and go back down for that wave 5. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we have a nice break of structure to the upside. As you can see, we have that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at pretty much the end of every trend if you're on the correct time frame. I think this is very clearly an uptrend right here, which I believe this uptrend is part of a wave A. I think before too long, maybe even today or tomorrow, it'll probably going to move down and start a correction to this move up, which would be a B, and probably eventually back up for a wave C. I believe this is a wave 4 that we're in now, an ABC of 4. I think it will go up to at least the 38%, possibly even the 50, and before it actually breaks structure to the downside and continues back down for that wave 5, just like I was explaining on the daily time frame. So let's take it down one more step to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour is where you could actually break this trend down. I think it's very clear that this is a 1, 2, and then you could even see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is probably a wave 4, and we're most likely in a wave 5 right now. There's no signs that the wave 5 is actually over. It could definitely continue to drift up very easily. If it does go down, if it does break structure, that's going to help prove to me that the wave A is over, and that we are most likely then going to make a correction to this move up, which would most likely be an A, B, C, or B, and then probably back up for that wave C, like I was showing on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.